This is so fun and easy to do. You are going to love it.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna help with your video.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Hey guys, this is Jen of All Trades, and welcome to my channel.
Woohoo!
What was that?
I'm excited.
Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you 2 super easy, fun ways that you can lighten or get rid of your semi-permanent hair color in the summer.
In the summer?
Yes.
Fun?
Yes. You just go. I really don't need your help.
Seriously?
Yes, but I promise I'll let you do it in the next video, okay? You can help with the next video.
I guess.
Love you!
Whatever.
Sorry guys, that was Nikki. Let me, I don't know why that was there, so. Anyways, if you've never met her before, I introduced her in my emo transformation video, which is linked right there. Go check it out, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so anyways, today, as stated in the title, we are talking about 2 fun and super easy ways that you can lighten your semi-permanent hair color. It's not gonna completely get rid of it, but it's like seriously the most fun, coolest way you can do it. So anyways, let's get started. So the number 1 super easy way that you can lighten or get rid of your hair color is to use hot water and dandruff shampoo. So use the dandruff shampoo and just wash your hair in normal hot water. If you are familiar with these bright colors, you generally need to use cold water to keep the color in as long as possible. But when you're trying to fade it, hot water is best, and wash it just as much and as often as you like. The more the better. The more you wash it, the more hair color comes out. So, yeah. So number 2 is my favorite. I recently discovered this, and I want to say that I am pleasantly pleased at the results. This is this is the after. It's pretty freaking faded. This is the after results of my sunset hair color. This is the before, and this is the after. So to go over this, all you need to do is, drum roll please! Get in the freaking swimming pool. That's right. Get in the pool.
Did you say we're going to the pool?
No, Nikki, we're not going to the pool. It's just for the video. I'm just telling them about hair.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Anyway, go swimming. Have fun. That chlorine will do wonders for your hair. I'm telling you, I went swimming in the pool one time this past weekend, and I knew that it was gonna fade my hair. I mean, I'm at that point, as you guys know. If you don't know, I recolor my hair at least like once a month. It's been about 3 weeks, close to a month at this point. I'm ready to color it, put more purple in it, and just redo it again. You guys are ready for another hair tutorial, aren't you? Because I know I am. So anyways, yes, so I went ahead and just got in the pool with the chlorine, and it worked great. One time, and it faded the out of it. It worked good. So just condition it well afterwards like normal, or whatever you put in your hair for health reasons and stuff. So yeah, so that also means I have another hair tutorial video coming up in the next week. I cannot wait. I'm doing more orange because I'm in love with this orange color. Again, always Arctic Fox, and more purple, and just purple and orange, and we're gonna go with it. Just go with it and see what happens with that. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this short little awesome video, and that you like Nikki, and if you want to see more of her, I will be happy to bring her back, because you know she's excited to get in my videos. Yeah. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful and kind of funny, but super easy. It works. Try it. It's summertime. Why not enjoy swimming in the pool? Don't deny yourself the simple pleasures in life and swimming in pools because of your hair. Just do it. Fuck it. So anyways, subscribe for more awesome videos, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.